supposed to speak on economic crisis, and I will not call this as crisis. I will call this as man-made disasters. Crisis is different from disasters, and I will explain you the reason. That we have two sectors in the economy. Whenever we teach economics, we used to start that there is a formal economy, there is an informal economy. And both the sectors got a issue because of disaster. The informal sector of the economy, which people having a small stall, a daily labor working at the construction site, he lost his job, his daily earnings because of demonetization. And the formal sector of economy, for example, I work in the factory of Tata Steel or Tata Motors for that matter. I am a laborer. I got a problem because of the way the GST got implemented. So I always used to say कि अच्छे काम को कैसे खराब किया जाए, वो भी इनसे सीखना चाहिए मोदी जी से, और खराब काम को कैसे अच्छे से किया जाए, वो भी सीखना चाहिए. When I say खराब काम, the way demonetization got implemented, that the fool's idea, it got implemented well. And GST, the best idea. You will be surprised to know, as a Chief Minister of Gujarat, he always used to oppose GST. Anyhow, we supported them because that is our brainchild. The GST, a good idea, how to kill a good idea, they had proved that. And now because of this, you know what happened? When you fired 2 bullets in the chest of the economy, we used to say, "Arey, isse kharab hoga." Dr. Manmohan Singh had predicted 2% dip in the GDP. He used to say, no, it is not going to happen, we will take care of everything. But Dr. Manmohan Singh was slightly wrong. It was 4.5% dip in the GDP. Because he is a liberal soul, so he thought sentiments of the economy will go wrong, so he mentioned only 2%. Now, when you do like that, what do you expect? You expect only charging other people, blaming other people for your wrong. Audience, that GDP is not 5%, it is 0%. And I will prove here. Economists are sitting, if I have an iota of wrong assumption, then please tell me where I am wrong. I am saying GDP is not 5%, GDP is 0% or maybe negative. Why? Because in GDP calculation, only formal economy is taken into consideration. Informal economy, as per State Bank of India, is dipping down by around 7% per year. So, and in our country, more or less 50-50 formal, 50 informal. So when 50% of the economy is coming down, and you are just saying that 5% GDP, this growth is only of formal economy, it is not of informal economy. So GDP growth is not 5%, it is negative GDP growth at which we are moving right now.
Unless the autonomy of RBI and the freedom of RBI is restored, unless we stop manipulation of the Central Statistics Organization to create a very rosy picture, the economy cannot sustain, the market cannot sustain. And planning commission, but just by changing the name and its focus area is changed, we cannot recover our economy. I don't want to take the topic because I'm not the expert. We have 3 experts among us, and all the 3 have their own view on the economy and on the present conditions. I hope all 3 of them will be able to convince you, educate you, give you information about the present economic conditions. We know this government is going on only event management. A government cannot just become event